Evening, family. How's everybody doing on this Tuesday? Hopefully everybody's doing wonderfully blessed, had a great day, most importantly a safe day. This is your boy Jaime G, and your boy's about to just drop like it's hot and break you guys off the latest and greatest in the overall crypto markets. Alright guys, we're going to obviously talk about Doge and the overall crypto markets in this video. Now, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. It helps me out with the YouTube algo, and it helps me to get this video out to the masses, right? We want to help with major adoption and getting the word out there about Doge and the overall crypto markets, guys. Or don't at all. Just appreciate your time for you guys watching my video. None of this is ever financial advice. It's just your boy sharing his thoughts, opinions, nothing more, nothing less. Let's get it, baby. All right, Bitcoin is currently sitting at 41,587 with 26 cents. We're currently down 2.17% for the day, guys. Bitcoin, I'll keep it real. Bitcoin has been struggling, right? Nonetheless, we are above 40K, but you know what I mean? We continue to, fluctuate between 41 and 42,000, right? We need to get above 45,000, right, to continue pushing up. But I think Bitcoin is just consolidating, doing its thing. And when everybody least expects it, pow, it's going to just blast off, you know what I mean? But that's just my opinion, guys. All right, so as you can see, the overall markets are in the red. Granted, there is a couple altcoins that are in the green, but majority are in the red, right? Plenty of blood on the streets. All right, guys, Dogecoin is currently ranked number 10, right? We're still hanging on by a loose tooth, right, onto the top 10, but nonetheless, we're still in the top 10. We're at 19 cents right now, currently down 2.34% for the day. Our 24-hour low was 19 cents, and 24-hour high was 20 cents. Market cap is at 25.93 billion, and the volume in the last 24 hours is ridiculously stupid low. It is at 881.76 million. Guys, that is just horrible, right? Enough of the stats. Let's just dive right into the charts, guys, right? I don't really have any news as far as Doge goes, right? We're just going to be more talking about technicals today on this video, guys. All right, guys, as you can see here, right, what do we got going on here? Obviously, that's a descending triangle, right? So, key levels, guys, to look out for levels of support is still 19 cents, right? And resistance is still at the 10-day moving average, which is hanging around at 21 cents, okay? So, guys, we have retested the key support levels, right, at 0.0196, right, 19 cents, right? We tested it again today, and we bounced slightly to the north. Since September 20th, guys, we have tested support level 4 times. So in the last 8 days, we have tested support 4 times, right, guys? 4 times plus today, 5 technically, right? So like I always tell you guys, right, every time we test support, it makes it weaker and weaker, right? Therefore, leaving support vulnerable for the price of Doge to dip lower than that, right? We gotta stop continuing testing this level of support, because eventually we're gonna break through this support and we're gonna head down to our next level, which is at 16 cents. Right, Doge has been in the descending triangle, guys, and the descending triangle pattern since September 17th. Now let me get my so as you can see right here, right, guys, we're consolidating, and then right here, boom, is when we hit this descending triangle. That right there is September 17th, right? Now we've been in a descending triangle ever since, right? And we will meet the apex of this triangle on Wednesday. What is the apex? So that is basically right here, guys, okay? So we will meet right here sometime tomorrow, right? And Doge is either going to break to the upside or it's going to break to the downside, right? So key factors to help Doge break to the upside, right? Because that's what we want. We want it to go to the upside, not to the downside. One, we need a lot more volume, guys. We need a lot more volume. We're in the millions, right? We're in 881 million. That is retardedly low, right? We need whales, institutional investors, retail investors to step in and buy the dip to create my buying pressure, therefore brings the volume up. 2, we need Bitcoin to push up drastically, right? Drastically, we need Bitcoin to freaking just shoot to the moon. Why? Because Dogecoin is at the hip of Bitcoin. So what Bitcoin does, basically Dogecoin does the same thing. So that's why we need Bitcoin to push up majorly if we want Doge to break to the upside out of this descending triangle. And guys, I don't know if you guys know, but we have been trading below the 8-day and the 21-day EMA, which stands for the exponential moving average, right? With the 8-day moving average trading below the 21-day, right? And both of those are bearish technicals, guys. And also, we've been trading below the 50-day simple moving average, which is a bearish technical as well, right, guys? So in the short term, things do look bearish. I'll keep it real on this channel, right? Things are looking bearish, guys, in the short term. But in the long term, when in doubt, zoom out. Gotta always remember what you're investing for, and you gotta have strong convictions in what you invest in. I know I do, right? So, all right, guys, that's what I have as far as Doge goes, right? It's just more of a technical video as far as the Doge information goes. Key takeaway is 19-cent support, 21 cents resistance. We're in a descending triangle, and we're gonna be breaking out of this descending triangle sometime tomorrow. So keep an eye out for that, guys. Now let's get into some overall crypto news. All right. So the first story. Now it says, oh, excuse me. Sorry, my stuff is loading up slowly. Now it says, Deutsche Bank analyst Marilyn Lorber says Bitcoin is here to stay as digital gold. Right now, Deutsche Bank, right? I'm obviously pronouncing it wrong, guys. Is a well-respected and well-known bank throughout the world, right? So obviously, if they're saying that, right, that's a good thing, right? This is out of Bitcoinist, right? If you want to check it out, you can check out the article yourself. I'm not going to dive into it, right? We're just going to go down the list, right? Now, next article, it says declining Bitcoin prices triggers renewed interest as number of small-time investors grows. All right, we'll get into a little bit of this here. It says Bitcoin price recently suffered another crash that sent the price of the asset dropping towards the low 40,000s again. This one, however, has been significant in its crash and recovery patterns, and subsequent on-chain data suggests that this most recent crash may have worked in the favor of the digital asset. This is because interest returned in the pioneer cryptocurrency after its price fell below enough to the point that investors deemed it a buy opportunity. Obviously, people were waiting to buy the dip, guys, right? Such as retail investors is what they're talking about. So a lot of people bought the dip. It says the crash was also significant in how much it took off the market, although lasting only a couple of hours in early morning of Saturday. The crash held cleared about 150 billion off the total market cap, dragging the market cap of to a month low. Bitcoin value suffered tremendously for this crash, as did the altcoins. But an interesting after effect has been increased number of small-time investors trooping back to stock up on the digital currency. Right now, it says addresses with 1 BTC shoots up. An interesting turn in events. The market crash, which would have normally led to a sell-off, had triggered renewed interest. Mostly small-time hodlers. These hodlers are invested with at least 0.1 Bitcoin in their balances for approximately 4,300 worth of Bitcoin. That it shows that this price had crashed on Saturday. The number of small-time holders buying Bitcoin shot up, leading to an increase in the number of addresses holding at least 0.1 Bitcoin. Right, guys? That's positive, right? That goes to show you, right? People are starting to not get so much caught up in the FUD, and they're continuously buying the dip. Now, next article here. Where are we at here? Okay, right here. Now it says 62 of institutions to start investing in crypto within a year. Now, why is this important? Why? Because it goes to show you guys institutions are dabbling in crypto now. Why, guys? Because bottom line is we invest in crypto because we want to make life-changing wealth. We want to become crypto millionaires, have that Lambo, etc., right? So these people, obviously, these institutions have deeper pockets, so therefore they can buy a lot more crypto than us, and they see that the profits are there, guys, and crypto is here to stay. Now it says, released Tuesday, the survey interviewed 50 wealth managers and 50 institutional investors across the United States, the United Kingdom, France, Germany, and United Arab. It says Nickel conducted the survey online in May and June 24th. According to the survey results, the main reason for institutional investors' first cryptocurrency investment is the potential capital increase in the long term. Exactly, like I said, guys, bottom line is it is profits. This says with 47% of the respondents citing this factor, 44% of respondents cited growing confidence in crypto as an asset class, with corporates and fund managers increasingly investing in cryptocurrencies. Now, let me finish off this article. It says 41% of respondents also indicated that they are willing to invest in crypto for the first time due to the improved regulatory environment, while 34% consider crypto as a good hedge against inflation. There is no doubt that the crypto asset market is becoming more mainstream in the institutional and wealth management sectors. Guys, this is huge, right? This just goes to show you major adoption. Crypto is here to stay, guys. For those of us that continue, to invest in in it. Tongue-tied. All right, now it says diamond hands remain Bitcoin whales. Keep on buying the dips. You know what I mean, guys? So there's just article after article, right, showing you guys. Now here, let me give you another article here, guys, and then I'm going to be closing out here. Thank you if you stayed with me till the end. Now it says payment network Affirm will allow customers to buy and sell crypto. Now, why is that important? All right, this is just another article, yada, yada, yada. Right, guys, it shows you adoption, right? Where crypto is headed, right? It just shows you slowly but surely, company after company, institution after institution is dabbling and dipping into crypto. Why? Because they see it's going nowhere. If you can't beat them, join them, right? Is the motto, right? So that's what I think some of these institutionals are doing. They figure, hey, if we can't kill crypto, we might as well join it and make some money off of it. Exactly. Why not? You know what I mean, guys? So there is just, article after article. Now close out with this one, right? So for those of you guys that don't know who where did it go here? Man, what the heck? All right, guys, where did it go here? I just wanted to close out with this one right here. Now it says BNY, which is Bank of New York Mellon, which is the oldest bank in America. It says beefs up digital assets unit with 3 senior hires. Now, guys, you have a bank that is old school, right? That had been doing things a certain way, right, guys? And they're even obviously gearing up and changing things. Why? Because they see that crypto is here to stay and they got to join. They got to get with the program if they want to make money, right? All right, guys, this is what your boy Hamid G had for you. Hopefully it was informative, useful, and insightful. If it was, please consider to like and subscribe. That's all I ask. I don't ever shill any links. You never hear your boy saying, oh, my affiliated links are down below. Click on them. You get $10. I get $10. I don't do that, guys, because I didn't make this channel for that. I did this just to share information so you guys don't have to go look up the information. You guys just can come to my channel and get informed with the latest and greatest. All right, guys, stay safe and stay blessed. Till tomorrow. Peace.